In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an Airtable workspace. This can be useful if you no longer need certain projects or want to declutter your work environment. First things first, you'll need to fire up your preferred web browser and head over to Airtable's website. Simply typing in airtable.com will take you there. Once the page loads, you're greeted with the familiar layout that many of us use for managing our projects. The next step is to sign in to your Airtable account. Look for the sign in option, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on it will prompt you to enter your login credentials, which typically include your email and password. If you have set up two-factor authentication, make sure you're ready with your phone or authenticator app to complete the process. Upon successfully logging in, you'll land on your Airtable homepage. Here, all your workspaces and recent projects are displayed, offering you a quick overview of your ongoing activities. Now focus your attention on the left-hand sidebar. You'll find a section labeled All Workspaces. Give it a click and you'll see a list of all the workspaces you currently have access to. Next, browse through the list and select the specific workspace you want to delete. Clicking on a workspace will open it up, revealing all the bases and activities it contains. It's a good idea to double check that you've selected the correct workspace, as deleting it will remove all associated data permanently. Now you need to find the three-dot icon, often referred to as the More Options menu. It's usually located towards the top right of the workspace interface. Clicking this icon will drop down a menu with several options for managing your workspace. From this drop-down menu, search for the Delete Workspace option. Once you click on it, a confirmation prompt might appear. This is Airtable's way of making sure you really want to go through with the deletion. Double check everything here, and if you're confident, proceed by confirming the deletion. And there you have it. With these steps completed, you've successfully deleted an Airtable workspace. Remember, this process is irreversible, so you might want to ensure that all valuable data is backed up beforehand. Deleting a workspace is a straightforward process, but it's one that requires a bit of caution and a thoughtful double check to avoid any accidental loss. If this guide was helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.